You never guessed that this tool, which makes shaving wood so easy, actually existed long before power tools were invented. This thing is called a Drawknife, and it was a magical tool for ancient woodworkers. Craftsmen would pull the curved blade toward themselves, shaving off layers of wood bit by bit, gradually carving out smooth curves and intricate shapes. Canoes were crafted by hand in this way, little by little. Even something as small as a spoon required a specially curved blade and several hours of carving. The process is both slow and difficult, but the precise control it offers is unmatched by any other tool. Even today, these old tools are still used by traditional woodworkers and hands-on enthusiasts.